In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create printable wall art in Canva and prepare it for Etsy. Hey guys, today I'll show you how to create printable wall art in Canva and prepare it for Etsy. First, open Canva in your browser. You'll land on the home page where you can start a new design. Click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size. For printable wall art, a common size is 8 by 10 inches. That's a standard frame size and great for most home printers. For print quality, aim for 300 dpi. In Canva, setting the dimensions in inches and exporting as a high-quality file will give you crisp results comparable to 300 dpi. With your canvas ready, it's time to design. Use text to add quotes or headings, elements for shapes, lines, and illustrations, and photos for backgrounds or images that fit your theme. Stick to a simple color palette and choose fonts that pair well for readability. Keep contrast in mind so your text stands out against your background. As you build your layout, check your margins. Leave a comfortable buffer around the edges so nothing important gets cut off when printed or framed. Think of it as breathing room for your design, especially for text and focal images. Once you're happy with the design, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right, then Download. Select PDF Print. This format preserves sharp text and graphics and is ideal for at-home or professional printing. Save the file to a location you'll remember. Now head over to Etsy. Open Etsy, go to Shop Manager, then Listings, and click Add a Listing. You'll be creating a digital product here. Upload your PDF file in the section for digital files so buyers can instantly download it after purchase. Add a clear descriptive title that includes the size and style, like 8 by 10 printable wall art. In the description, explain what the customer receives, mention it's a digital download and that no physical item ships. You can also note recommended printing at 300 dpi and the 8 by 10 inch size so customers know exactly what to expect. Set your price based on the complexity of your design and the market for similar items. When everything looks good, go ahead and publish your listing. Etsy will handle the delivery of the digital file to your customers automatically, making this a smooth way to sell your art. And that's it. That's how you make printable wall art in Canva and list it on Etsy. Thanks for watching.